Welcome back, children. Topic of today is session 11, printing a presentation. So we would be printing the presentation. So let us start. My PowerPoint is ready. Not this one. This. It contains many slides. 30 slides are there. So when you click File, Print, it is giving you lots of options. What do you want to print? Print all slide? No, only current slide. See, only one page is there. If you see all slide, 30 pages would be printed, and in each page one slide would be there. Okay. Next, I want to print custom range from slide number 1 to 12, then 14, then 16. So total 14 page. See, to a 14 page. Okay. Now I would be choosing all slides. Okay. Now what you want to print? You have the option to print in print layout, full page slide, or its slide and notes, or the outline. You have this option. See outline. See, only the outline is being printed of all the slide. See, see notes, slide as well as the notes area. If you write something in notes area, that would be printed. Suppose you choose handout. Handout is a printed version given before presentation to the audience. Audience को presentation समझाना है, उससे पहले छोटे छोटे पेपर में जो प्रिंट आउट presentation के दिया जाता है, that is called handout. So what I want, in each page I want 6 slide. See, here is the orientation, landscape or portrait. So how many pages? 5 pages would be printed, and in 6 each, so 5 6 yeah 30 slides it would be there. Okay. Now suppose I give the range, no, from 1 to 12 I want. See, only 3 pages. Move. Here, if you want to save the color, you have the option. If you want to print in color, color is there. If you want to print gray and scale, see. If you want to save more ink, you have pure black and white. So these are the various options. You, after doing it, you can, before printing, you can set header and footer. See header and footer. In the notes and handout, date and time automatically updated automatically. I want page number, I want header as our school name GGPS Dhanbad, and in the footer I want created for standard 10A 10B. Okay. Now apply to all. You apply for each slide. What do you want? Date and time updated automatically. Footer created for 10, standard 10. Okay. Apply to all. See, it has been applied. 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. Now you want to actually print. I don't have the printer, but I have this option, send to OneNote. Click it. Whatever you have sent, that would be sent to OneNote. Here. See, OneNote is opening. OneNote. Okay. It is generating. Not ready. See. My slide. In first page, how many handout? 6. In the second page, how many handout? 6, and so on. So this way you can get in the printer. Now come to your books content. What is written? Sometimes you may need to provide printout of the presentation to the audience as a reference material. You can print notes, handout or outline of the presentation using a presentation software. We are going to learn the same. So you have to say what you want to print out, notes or handout, whatever. See, print what? Notes page, handout, outline view, whichever you want. Number of copy, all the slide, current slide to the printer. Printer should be online. If you want to set the frame, scale to fit, high quality, that's all is there. You see, once you are printing it, file print, you have the option in the what section. Frame you want scale to fit, you want high quality, everything is there in this particular option. So you would be using, it is the older version and that is 2007. What are the options? Handout, how many handout you want, horizontal, vertical. Here you can select this one, lots of diagram, this way 9 slide per sheet, 9 slide per vertical, horizontal you have this option, everything you can do. Print what? Outline view, in which color, gray scale. Thank you.